Okay guys, this video tutorial is for those people who wants to buy tone from OKX. So this is my OKX app. So this is how it looks like, the front end. So I want to transfer USDT from my Binance or Binance. I prefer calling it Binance to OKX. So I'll go to, because I need to copy I want to transfer USDT. So I'll copy my USD deposit address here. Then before I move over to Binance, so I'll go to assets. Then I'll click on deposit. Then deposit crypto. Then I'll search for USDT. We have it here at popular crypto at the top, USDT. So okay, they ask me to choose a network. So any network you choose from here, so that's the same network you choose if you want to deposit from any other chain. All right, so me, I want to, and the cheapest which I know of is between TRC 20 and Polygon, but let me go for TRC 20. Then this is the deposit address, so I'm going to copy it. So you can either screenshot it if you want to send someone to search to you. So I'm moving over to my Binance. Let me just close the Binance, then let me just open it all afresh. So this is my Binance here. So I didn't have enough USDT, so I had to go say my space ID, and I transferred it here to Binance. So the first thing, so I have, because the minimum withdrawal from USDT in Binance is 10 USDT. That's the minimum you can withdraw here. So the space ID, I have $15 here. So I need to convert it first to USDT before I can send anything. So in case you are new to Binance, so this is one way for you to also learn. So you click on the ID. Okay, go to sports. Okay, let me just go to sports here. That'll be much easier. So I'll click on the space ID. So I'll look for the pairs. So he has a pair with USDT. So click on USDT. I want to sell the whole of it. This one say buy ID. No, I'll click on sell. So let me just change the price to from limit to market price so that it will be fast. So I'll put it on 100%. I'm selling the whole 25. So sell ID. So if you're using limits like is before someone comes to fill in the order before it can go through. Though on Binance, even if you're using limits, it's still very fast. But markets is like ASAP. So I think it has sold. Let me go to back to wallet because you can see it here, that white this under trade, right? So go back to wallet. So you can see now I have $21 here in my USDT. So I want to withdraw. So I'll click on withdraw. I'll click on USDT. Forget the USD you are seeing at the top. It's just the value of the USDT that is showing as US. That's US dollar. So they are trying to tell you that USDT is the same as US dollar. So you click on USDT. Click on send via crypto network. So meanwhile, I've copied the address from OKX. So all I have to do is just to paste the address here. So the second option is to choose the network. So this is the TRC 20 here. I've picked it. So how many am I going to say? They're going to charge, they say minimum 10. So I'm going to send 11. So 11, they will charge me from here $1. So 10 we get to OKX. So I'm clicking on withdraw. So clicking on confirm. You can decide to read everything before you do that. So I'm quite used to this. So that's why I'll go a little bit faster. So click on the key pass. So me, I use a biometric. Okay. Withdrawal processing 11 USDT. So sometimes it's fast. Sometimes if the network is congested, so you just have to wait. And most time you might be here, and no need to still hang around here. You can still just go back to your the wallet and check around. So I don't think Binance have tone because I'm doing this transfer because I wanted to buy tone. So let me check. I'll go to search if they have tone. Tone, TON. No, they don't have it. Tone is a coin owned by Telegram owner, and the full meaning of Tone is Telegram Open Network, and it's a blockchain on its own. So I wonder why Binance haven't listed such a coin like that. Well, I believe they have their reasons. So let's go back to OKX. Let's see if anything has landed. Like I said, sometimes it takes time. Though if the thing has gone through, they will send you a mail. Okay, see, I told you it's a bit quite fast. So let me move over to, let me transfer it to trading. Let me transfer it to trading. So you click on this is OKX now. So since the money has landed under funding, so the first thing you need to do is to transfer it to trading. So you click on transfer from funding to trading. How much am I transferring? Maximum 10 USDT. Confirm. Transfer successful. So I go back. I go to my trading. This is it. So I search for what do I want? But let me just go back to OKX itself from this box here and search for, let me search for tone. Search for tone. I'll look for the pair. Tone is currently $2 zero zero $2 $2.069. So I'll look for the pair I want is USDT. So I'll click on it. So I'm going to click on trade. Let me still move it from that limit order to market order so that it will be fast. So buy tone. So I'm clicking on 100%. So according to them, I'm going to get 4.8 tone. Let's see. Buy tone. Confirm. Order placed. So market order is supposed to go ASAP. ASAP. So it doesn't get to take time. So this is what came in. So now this is how to fund your OKX. So if you want to buy any other coin, so you just once you funded your OKX, you just to click on this search here and type the name of the coin you want to buy and look for the pair that you transferred to OKX. So it will be very much easier for you. So now let me go back to, let me look for my Tone Keeper app since I want to, because the migration is out. So and I think they are charging 0 points. They say, yeah, they're charging. They say sufficient funds to be paid 0.85 ton plus blockchain charges. Your balance is 0.45 ton. So they say I should buy ton now. So what I do here, I click on a tone coin, then click on receive, then copy my tone address. So this is the tone address. You copy it. I can actually go back, so no need to stay here. I can stay here. Then go back to my OKX, go to assets. This is my tone. This is my tone. Overview. I can click on withdraw. I went back to the home page. Withdraw. Then withdraw crypto. Then what am I withdrawing? Tone. On chain. Transfer crypto via network to a wallet or exchange. Yes. The down one said transfer crypto instantly with 0 fee to OKX user. So this internal one means you can only transfer within OKX. But this on-chain means you can transfer out of OKX to another exchange or wallet. So I'm clicking on chain. So I'm going to paste the address I copied, the tone address. So choose network. So you've seen it is written tone. They say the comment is not necessary. So I just click on maximum here. And the thing is on my trading account. So if it's not on my trading account, you have to switch it to your funding. But it's on my trading, so I just leave it right there. So I click on submit. Okay, so there are two authentication here that is needed. One is email, one is phone number. So I've clicked on the two. So let me go to my email first. Okay, OKX. So copy this one from my email. So I'll paste it here. So I'll go for the message. I think I just write it out. So let me just go to my text message. Message. Okay, it's copy. So right here. So I've done that. So you have to wait till it confirms. So request submitted. So these are to withdraw from OKX. Also to deposit and how to withdraw from OKX. All right. So now you can still just be here, then be watching, but you can still go back to your assets. So if you are new, so this is the tutorial for you how to deposit and withdraw from OKX 2 in 1. All right. So if you want to know what I want to use the tone for, then follow me on my next tutorial.